Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to get badge or how to add badges to your Tumblr account on your Tumblr application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to add a badge on your Tumblr application, just going to show in this video. To add a badge, you just open your profile. You have this option called add badge option. Click on this. Now you have, it doesn't have any badge, so show off your personalized and achieved by adding the badges on your blog. So you can just shop the badge from the shop option, or you can just earn the badge by posting over 100 posts, or earned when you place more than 5 posts like that. You can just add free badges too, and also you can just shop a paid badge in the shops. So this is how you just add after you just earn any badges. You will be on your badge option, so you can just click on this. You can just add this badge on your profile. So this is how you just add badge on your Tumblr profile on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.